Hi friends, Marley here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you what I do in order to push my zone into planting some more. The day today is December 10th and I've been working in my garden. My garden task is not yet done and I don't think I'll finish it. So I'll be working throughout the winter. Whenever I get slightly higher temperature, like above freezing, and if I have the energy to work outside, I'll be working outside. And these two beds that I'm showing to you are the last two earth beds where I planted strawberries. Yep, I know that strawberries need to be planted in the fall, and I've always done that in the past, but I've just been too busy. And in my previous video, I've shown you two earth beds where I planted strawberries. I think that was November. I didn't finish the other two, so I have them planted yesterday, and today I'm going to show you a close-up of these beds before I cover them with mulch. These strawberries were transplanted from the strawberries already in my garden, so I didn't spend any money on this. And I got the strawberries from a friend. These are all June bearing strawberries, so that's a good thing because we'll be selling these strawberries. I'm doing intensive gardening in here, so I have a lot of them. They are looking good. They are a little bit thirsty though because I have not watered them yet since I planted them, so they're gonna get some water here in a little bit. I just wanted to show you what they look like right now. So I'm very excited with all of this. And then we have the two beds over there that are already covered with dry leaves, and the strawberries are thriving underneath these leaves, enjoying their warm leaves blanket. Of course, these guys in here will need to be covered also, and I'm hoping to be able to get a decent harvest next spring. I have amended the soil with a 13-13-13 fertilizer that I got on clearance at a big box store, and then I put that in here while prepping yesterday. So we'll just be doing the mulching, or watering I mean, and mulching today. And then another project that I'll be doing is I'm going to show you this part in here. This was where all of those beautiful sweet potatoes were planted. Unfortunately, I have not been able to dig all of them, so I'm gonna try my luck today. The sun is up and we have some sweet potatoes to harvest. Actually, I am really very positive that we can get some sweet potatoes today, because while I was prepping the strawberry beds, I found a couple of sweet potatoes in the ground, because some of the sweet potato vines went to this area last time. They just exploded, so they got in this part and I got a couple of them. So I know that those sweet potatoes are not bad yet, although we've been getting low temperatures and we've been getting like 20s and 30s, but I think they're still good. I don't have a tripod right now, so what I'm gonna do is I will just put this camera down and I will come back in here and show you what I've harvested from that corner of my garden. Wish me luck, guys. I'm gonna see you here in a little bit. I'll be right back. It has gotten a little bit darker in here, and I'm finally finished digging all of the sweet potatoes. Whew, and it's cold too. I know it was in the 40s earlier, but I don't know what the temperature is right now, but I'm cold. So I got some sweet potatoes. They're right here. I put them in the raised bed. I'm going to show you, that's the area where I dug up. I had to put some cardboard boxes where I step on because it's a little bit muddy. Today is probably not the best day to harvest this. Probably the best day has passed already, but anyway, these are the sweet potatoes that I got from the two remaining short rows that I got. Okay, so let's take a look at it, guys. These are actually good sized sweet potatoes, and these are the purple variety potatoes. The only issue is that I was trying super duper fast to get all of them, so I kind of stabbed most of them. That damaged them. Look at that. So I'll probably just wash them here in a little bit, and then yeah, they need a good spray of water and I need to do something to them so I can preserve them. So at least I have cleared this area right here because I have a 10 by 20 greenhouse that I need to install in here. That's long overdue, guys. And also, sometime early spring, I prepped this, I don't know, 50-gallon tote, I believe. I could be wrong. But I planted 2 sweet potato slips in here with a worm tower. So that's the worm tower I experimented on it. I think I uploaded that video in my other channel, Roadside Homestead. And these are the sweet potatoes that I got. These are the store-bought variety, or not variety, but the store-bought sweet potatoes. I mean, we have a couple of them that are decent size. The rest of them are just too small for this. So I will not recommend planting sweet potatoes in a container as small as this. Plus I put a worm tower in the middle, which really gave them very little room to grow. It got a lot of leaves, but then the roots are very small. And so guys, that's all I have right here. I'm gonna load up these sweet potatoes in my cart. I need to finish covering my strawberries and be done with my garden for today. Well, overall, it has been a fun day working here in my garden, even if it's very cold today. At least I finished my strawberries. My garden task is not yet over, so I will be back here in my garden to plant garlic and some turnips. And then I'm gonna have to install that greenhouse whenever I can, maybe this week or over the weekend. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you again in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.